Hey, what's up, everybody? You're watching Rookie the Pro, and I'm your driver, Lovens Resume. Now, I'm so excited. I'm getting ready for IFO coming up. I purchased some Mishimoto cooling parts. I got the radiator, I got the oil cooler. I just want to make sure the car is running healthy for when I take it to the drag strip once again. Like we all know, this is not a drag strip car, but for me personally, it'd be good to see the times that we got from when I was NA to when I'm boosted. So make sure you go check out the other video. I'll have it linked in the description. And then in the future video, you go and watch that and compare the times. That's why it's important you guys hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with future videos.
Right here you guys see we got the oil lines. I'll open that up some more so you guys can see it. Yeah, this is dope. You got a lifetime warranty with their parts. That's always a peace of mind. So if anything should happen, which it probably it won't, but if anything were to happen, I know they got my back. We got the stainless steel sandwich plate adapter right here, package right here. Everything's labeled correctly, so you won't have no issues. We got the oil cooler bracket set. Oil sandwich plate right here. I decided to go with the silver one. They have a black option as well if you want a more stealth look. Aluminum spacer set. And of course they got their little promo package with a promo pack with a little penguin, I guess. I didn't know that was their mascot, but it's pretty dope. I might use it, see how it smells. It's like an air freshener. That's how the oil cooler looks. So that's the first box. That's the oil cooler setup right here. Part to the drag strip again after so long. I think it's been a year. Oh snaps! Look at that, guys. This thing is clean. And you can see their logo all over the bag. Look at that. That's definitely bigger than the stock radiator that comes with the car. So everything combined, everything together should work perfectly. Keep the oil temps down, keep the coolant temperatures down as well. Keep the car healthy so I can enjoy it more often, you know? But yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys updated. We got a week or so before IFO, so I gotta get these installed as soon as possible. So today's a good day. We're heading to Contrast Performance so we can get these parts installed. Of course, you guys know I love doing stuff myself, but Contrast showed me countless times. They've been very helpful in the process of my build. So for me, I'm really passionate about music, so that's where most of my time goes. So while I'm in the studio, they can help me knock out this build. So I got the parts in the trunk back there. We also got the liquid cooler in the front seat. Gotta take my time. It's raining out now, guys. Not ideal for driving the FRS right now with the tires and everything I got. I can't do no drifts because I got full car right now, but it's okay. Gotta get ready for IFO. I'm excited. Stay tuned, guys. I appreciate your guys' support. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys. Stay updated with the channel. We'll keep going. This is a passion of mine. It's just fun to do, but I'm glad that you guys are tuned in. So stay tuned, guys.